Out of the coronavirus pandemic and another weapon to fight it. The FDA has given full approval to Pfizer's COVID vaccine.
And New York and New Jersey promptly issued major vaccine mandates, both affecting school personnel. CBS News' John Diaz is live on the Upper West Side this morning with more. John?
Good morning, both of you. Well, the two areas issuing two different set of rules and also two different deadlines, but really under the same idea, local leaders pushing to get more vaccines within school systems. This morning, the clock is ticking for educators and school personnel in New Jersey and New York City. Monday, Governor Phil Murphy signed an executive order requiring all New Jersey school staff, public and private, to get vaccinated by October 18th or submit weekly testing. The same goes for state employees. New York City is taking it even further, requiring all 148,000 public school employees to get their first dose by September 27th. And weekly testing as an alternative is not an option.
This vaccine mandate is on top of the multi-layered measures we already have in place.
A spokesman for the United Federation of Teachers told us in part, quote, while the city is asserting its legal authority to establish this mandate, there are many implementation details, including provisions for medical exceptions that by law must be negotiated. The mayor says discussions with labor unions have already begun.
Negotiations, we really do hope will yield a constructive, positive outcome quickly. If they don't, things like arbitration are an available avenue.
And many health officials are now hopeful that the FDA giving full approval of the Pfizer vaccine for those 16 and older will convince people who are vaccine hesitant to get their shot.
Those who've been waiting for full approval should go get your shot now.
This comes as the number of children hospitalized nationwide with COVID has tripled in just 4 weeks. The Pfizer CEO says he expects vaccine approval will soon expand to include younger children.
We should be having the full set of data ready for submission by the end of September.
And full approval for the Moderna vaccine is expected in a few weeks. We're live this morning from the Upper West Side. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.